Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your old CSR2 account. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, once you install the CSR2 game on your device, go ahead and open it up and you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels. Once the basic tutorial level has been completed, you will gain access to your garage page. From this page, just tap on the menu icon at the left side and then tap on the gear icon to end up within the options menu. From this page, you will see the Google Play as well as the Facebook option. Now in order to log in and restore your previous progress, just log in using the method that you used previously while playing the game. Tap on the appropriate login button for Google Play or Facebook depending on which account you used in the past. Once you tap on the respective button, you will simply be asked to provide access to your account. Just tap on the Continue As button from your Facebook or log into your Google Play Games account, and now your previous progress will be reverted back into your game and you will be able to continue your game from where you left off previously. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to restore your old game progress on CSR2. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.